Machi was something else, a wonderful, wonderful man. He was an experienced politician. He'd been through the interim settlement and he knew that the only way we were ever going to do this fisheries settlement wasn't by beach, but by doing a big settlement.
We've never had a stranding of this magnitude, you know, like in terms of the size of the taonga. There's a lot of mātauranga and sort of tikanga practices that have been lost. To have all of these, you know, these people that have come from all over the motu gives us the opportunity to provide these wānanga and educate our people.
So he's going to do your own arm front, you do your fella's front.